Can anybody say? Fast, Nana.
To measure them?
To measure them. So in olden days also they measured, no? In barter system, I said exchange of goods is there. Then also they used to measure with palm or different things will be there, no?
Yes, so but it was different for all of the people.
Very
And
good, Nana.
these units are same for everyone.
Okay, those units are not same for everyone, isn't it? In olden days.
Yes, sir.
But to have a same value for all the people, what they did, Nana? They decided to define a standard units, Nana, and in that way, different unit system was proposed, Nana. And those systems generally are called CGS system, FPS system, and MKS systems, Nana. See here, Nana, CGS system.
Sir, can you write the definition of metric system in the chat?
Okay, Nana. So after I explain, I will write it, Nana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Nana, tell me how many fundamental physical quantities are there? Just now you learnt.
There are 3.
What they are, Nana?
They are length, mass, and time.
Very good, Nana. Length, mass, time. And those, whatever units will be there, those units will be called what, Nana? Fundamental units. And those fundamental units are defined in a different way by different scientists, Nana. And according to one scientist, CGS system is there, and according to that system, they try to measure these fundamental physical quantities, Nana. Like to measure the length, they used one unit, Nana, which is called what? Centimeter.
CGS.
And for length, what unit they used, Nana? Centimeter. And in centimeter, what is the first letter, Nana? C. Okay. Now for mass, what they used, Nana? Gram they used. And for here, instead of mass, time you have to write, Nana, here. Length, mass, time must be there here, but they have given mass here. So you have to change it, Nana. Time must be there. Okay. So length, mass, time, these are the 3 fundamental physical quantities, and their units in one system, like CGS system is there, no? And in CGS system, length will be measured in centimeter, mass will be measured in gram, time will be measured in what, Nana? Second. And observe carefully, Nana, all of you. For centimeter, what is the first letter? C. For gram, what is the first letter, Nana? G. And for second, what is the first letter, Nana? S. So they combined it, Nana. So CGS they said. C stands for centimeter, G stands for gram, S stands for what, Nana? Second. Okay.
Oh, sorry, sir. That this system of units, metric system, symbol, multiple system. What is this?
Nana, I will tell you, Nana. First, you try to learn about this, and later I will say, Nana, metric system and all these things. Okay.
That in like America and all going there, that time instead of kilogram they are using pounds.
Not in America, Nana. They will generally in England they will use pound.
Yeah.
Well,
sir, somewhere to measure weight we also use LBS.
That is also LBS means pound only, Nana. Now nowadays also pound. LBS means pound. This pound is there, no, here. Can you hear me, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So LBS stands for pound, Nana. Okay. So let me say first, CGS system is there. This was proposed by few scientists first, and according to them, length was measured in centimeters, mass was measured in grams, time was measured in what, Nana? Second. And every first letter was taken, and they said that system is what, Nana? CGS system. Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in England, in Britain, that means British people will be there, and they used to measure length with foot, Nana. Foot. And mass is measured by what, Nana? Pound. And time is measured by what, Nana? Second. So, see here, Nana. In Britain, length is measured with a foot, mass is measured with a pound, time is measured with what, Nana?
Second.
And now again join all the first letters of units. F, P, S. And this system will be called which system, Nana? FPS system, or it will be called what? British system also. What that system also will be called, Nana? British system or FPS system we call. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in MKS system, that means some other scientists formed one more system of units, Nana, in a later years of time. So that system was said as a MKS, and in that MKS system, length was measured in a meter, mass was measured in a kilogram, time is measured in what, Nana? Second. And
So like that, I would like to ask that which of this was founded by Indian people?
which was used by?
Yeah, like in the people of India.
Right,
Both.
Nana. So in olden days, CGS and MKS both were used, Nana, actually.
Okay.
Centimeter was used, meter is also used, but this FPS was not used in our India. FPS was used only particularly in what, Nana? England, Britain. So
But
that's why only it is.
but sir, I think FPS was also used because in time it also has second, right?
Right, Nana. So total foot will be used here, whether to measure a length. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this system, as it was proposed by British scientists, that's why it is called British system also, Nana. It is particularly implemented in Britain. So that's why it is called British system. And in a later course of years, which system was proposed, Nana? MKS. And in MKS, length was measured with a meter, mass is measured with a kilogram, time is measured with what, Nana? Second. Okay. So MKS, if you combine them, it will be called which system, Nana? MKS system. And this systems of units you have to remember, Nana. Suppose if I ask you, what is the unit of length in CGS? What do you have to say?
Centimeter.
Very good. So you have to remember CGS. C stands for centimeter, G stands for gram, S stands for what, Nana? Second.
Second.
And in FPS, F stands for foot, P stands for pound, S
Pound.
stands for?
Second.
Very good, Nana. In MKS, M stands for?
Meter.
M for meter.
Very good, Nana. What K stands for, Nana?
Kilogram.
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 And what? Very good, Nana. What S stands for?
Second.
Second. Okay, Nana. And in all these system, which unit is common, Nana?
Second.
Second. Very good.
I didn't get that question. Can you repeat?
Nana?
You asked some question right now. What is that?
Nana, which is the common unit among all these three systems?
That's second.
Very good, Nana. Seconds. And one question will be there like this. Which of the physical quantity will have a same unit in all the systems of units?
Second.
What do you have to say, Nana?
Second.
Not seconds, Nana. Understand my question clearly and tell me the answer, Nana. Which physical quantity will have same unit in all the systems?
Second.
Nana, again listen carefully to my question and answer. Okay. Pragya. Pragya.
Yes, sir.
Again, let me ask my question. Which physical quantity will have a common unit in all the systems of units?
Sir, second.
Not second, Nana. So you are not
Time.
giving proper
Time.
answer, Nana. Very good, Nana.
Time.
Neha, time.
Sir, time.
You have to say about physical quantity, Nana, not about unit. So unit of time is second. But what is time, Nana? It is a physical quantity. And what is the length? It is a physical quantity. And what is the mass, Nana? It is also a physical quantity, isn't it? So length, mass, time are physical quantities. And the units of them are what, Nana? Centimeter, meter, foot, are like a gram, pound, kilogram, or second, like that, isn't it? Have you got my point, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I ask physical quantity, you have to say time. Which of the unit is same in all the systems means?
Second.
Very good. Second. That's it. So, three systems are there, Nana. And in this particular three systems, MKS and CJS are called metric systems, Nana. What those systems will be called? Metric systems. Why they are called metric systems? Because they are multiples of 10, Nana. Generally, like 10 multiples will be there, no? All of you. Can you listen me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Right. So as they are multiples of 10, like you know that whenever you are writing about one number, 567 will be there. And how you take positions, Nana, zeros, ones, tens, like that you say or not? Hundreds, thousands,
Yes,
like
sir.
that you say or not positions. So that is generally called a metric system. So here also those will depend upon multiples of some tens, Nana. So that's why they are called which systems, Nana? Metric systems. And see here, Nana, whether centimeter is a very large unit or a very small unit.
Very small.
And meter is
A little bit more than.
a little bit bigger than that. And foot, you can't define particularly. Why? Because foot for every person will be different.
Different.
Isn't it?
Yeah. A newborn child will be small, but an adult will be big.
Okay. So here CGS system is having small units. MK system is having bigger units, isn't it? Meter is bigger than centimeter or not? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Right, Nana. So MKS is a bigger unit system and CGS is a smaller unit of system. But FPS will not be used here, no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
One of the thing that I heard that this pound, 1 pound means 2 or 3 kilograms. Is it true?
What, Nana?
1 pound means 2 or 3 kilograms.
Nana, I will give you those values also. But first you listen, Nana. After that, I will give you every value, okay?
Okay, sir.
Right, Nana. So, this is a bigger system and this is a smaller system, isn't it? And
Yes, sir.
suppose in our country, I used centimeter, which is a smaller system. And in America, suppose they are using bigger system like MKS. Whether the measurement will be same in America and India?
Okay.
No, somewhat difference will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
So that's why to remove this particular disturbance or to remove this particular inequality, what they did is in later course of time, one more system was proposed which was not given in your table, Nana. That is called SI system. What it is, Nana?
Yes.
SI system. SI stands for what, Nana? system of international. What it is called? System of international. So what do you mean by system of international? That unit system was accepted universally. That means all the countries must follow that particular system of units only, and that system will be called what, Nana? SI system. And that SI system nowadays we are using, Nana.
Sir, can you give me the definition of metric system? Can you say it?
So in later course of, in later slides it will be there, Nana. Don't worry. I will say. Okay.
Sir, I really have a doubt. Is this MKS is a SI system, right?
Right, Nana. So SI system is nothing but an extension of MKS system, Nana. MKS system was extended, and that system is only known as what, Nana? SI system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Is it XI system means metric system is that's my doubt.
Okay,
Doesn't,
Nana.
right?
Nana, tell me.
Does the SI system means metric system?
Just now only I said no, which are having multiples of 10 will be called what, Nana? Metric system. Okay. So in later slides it will be there, Nana. Don't worry. Just now I said no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, Nana. So in these units actually multiples will be there and sub-multiples will be there, Nana. What do you mean by multiples of 10? Sorry,
Sir,
multiples
can you
of
give
units?
me the definition of metric system?
Vamika, what I said, Nana, in next slides you are going to learn about it. There I will give, Nana. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Right, Nana.
Sir, even
So,
of simple multiples of units and sub-multiples of units?
so multiples and sub-multiples, Nana. What do you mean by multiples
So
and
you will give
sub-multiples?
us the definition of all of these three in the next slide.
Next slides it will come, Nana. Don't worry. So here one question is there, Nana. Can you answer, Nana? Here the standard used to measure a certain physical quantity is known as what?
A unit.
Unit.
Very good, Nana. The standard used to measure a certain physical quantity is called what? Unit. Okay. Now see here, Nana. Measurement of length. Nana, let me say about multiples and sub-multiples, and there after that I will give you that slide, Nana. Okay. Okay, Nana.
Sir, today what time is the class till?
Nana, up to 8:30 it is there. Okay. Don't worry. 5 more minutes are there. 5 to 10 minutes I will complete, Nana. Okay.
There are 4 minutes, sir.
In this 4 minutes is there. So let me take a few 4 more minutes more, and after that we will close. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, Nana. See here, Nana. Multiples and sub-multiples of length are there, Nana. Here. Have you seen here? Multiples and sub-multiples of length. You asked me, no? Multiples, isn't it? And sub-multiples also you asked, which is called multiples and which is called sub-multiples. Right? So these are multiples and sub-multiples, Nana. These are called sub-multiples and they are called multiples. And where we use them, Nana? We use them in units. And how we use, Nana? We use them as a prefixes. Do you know, Nana, what is a prefix?
Yes, sir. If suffix and prefix.
Nana, what?
It comes
Sir,
before.
suffix and prefix. Sir, if it is decade, its prefix is deca.
So
Prefixes
prefix is
are
something that comes before the word.
very good, Nana. Prefixes means which will come before that, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And all these multiples and sub-multiples, whatever are there, will be called prefixes, Nana, here. What they will be called? Prefixes. Okay. Prefixes means which can be added before, isn't it? And before what we add, Nana? Before unit we add all these, Nana. So now suppose if I ask one question like this, tell me what is your answer. What is the unit of mass in MKS system?
Unit of mass in MKS. Sir, it's kilogram.
Very good, Nana. Kilogram.
Kilogram.
Is it right, Nana? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Right, Nana. Do you know kilo we are using there?
Yes, sir.
Right. And in a multiple box, once you see, Nana, kilo is there or not?
Yes.
Kilo is there or not?
There is, sir.
Very good, Nana. This kilo is prefix or not here?
It is.
Prefix. And kilo stands for how much, Nana, here? 10
10
power 3.
30.
Nana, 10 power 3, how much, Nana?
30.
30. 10.
1000.
Nana, very good. 10 power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10, Nana.
Yeah,
10 you have to multiply for 3 times.
Sir, it was just a mistake. Sir, do we have to make this table?
Nana, what?
It was just a mistake. Do we have to make this table?
You have to read this table, Nana. So first let me say, after explanation you have to understand, okay? All of you.
Yeah.
Okay, Nana. Now see here, all of you. These all are called prefixes, and in these prefixes multiples are there and submultiples are there. Which are called multiples and which are called submultiples? Let me say, the prefixes which are having positive powers of 10 will be called what, Nana? Multiples. Positive powers of 10. Just now I said which are related with the 10 system. Those are called metric system, I said or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So here also. Now see all of you clearly, Nana. 10 power 1 is there in some measurement. Then that 10 power 1 will be called what, Nana? Deca. 10 power 1 will be called what? Deca. Suppose if I say decameter is there, length of that particular stool, or any table is decameter, then what do you mean by it, Nana?
It is 10 meter.
Very good. 10 power 1 means 10 meter. So instead of writing 10 meter, what you can write, Nana? Deca also you can write before the unit. That's why you are calling it as what, Nana? Prefix.
Yes,
and here,
sir,
positive.
can I ask something?
Okay, Nana.
Sir, that I have heard if it is 10 years, it is decade.
Right, very good. Nana.
That prefix also is deca.
And sir, if there are 14 days in a row, it's called fortnight.
But here it is not there, Nana. In our physics, whatever we require, that only we wrote as a prefixes, Nana. Okay.
Yes, I was saying like that.
Okay. Nana, see here. 10 power 1 will be called what? Deca.
Deca.
And its symbol will be what, Nana?
T. Capital T.
Okay. If 10 power 2 is there.
Hector.
Hector and symbol is capital H.
Very good, Nana. 10 power 3 will be called what, Nana?
Kilo. Capital H.
Capital K.
Very good, Nana.
Capital
10 power 6 will be called what, Nana?
Mega.
Capital
Mega,
M.
capital M. And 10 power 9.
Giga. Capital G.
Giga. Capital G.
Capital G.
Very good, Nana. Have you seen Robo movie?
No.
No.
Robo movie is not there?
No,
Have
sir.
you? Okay. And whenever you used to say about your computer or laptop devices, what do you say, Nana? How much storage capacity is there? What do you say?
84
100
GB, 60 GB.
60 GB, 80 GB, 100 GB, like that you say or not?
Yes, sir, we say like that.
So GB means G stands for what, Nana? Giga. G stands for what there? Giga. Giga means how much, Nana? 10 power? 9. Do you know 10 power 9 value means what? After 1, how many zeros must be there?
9. Sorry,
9 zeros
10.
must be there. Very good, Nana. So, instead of writing 10 power 9, what I have to write, Nana? Giga. Okay.
So what is this GP in the G, that is giga? Then what is a B?
Bytes, Nana. Gigabytes.
Okay, gigabyte.
And that is a unit of data, Nana. Generally, data will be there, no?
Yeah, data.
Yeah.
So that is measured with a bytes. And in your computer subject, it will be there, Nana. Okay. So, all these are positive powers of 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
So they
Yes,
are
sir.
called
That
multiples.
roller. Okay.
They are called multiples, Nana. And submultiples means which comes like 0.01, 0.001, like that will come now.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
Those is called what, Nana? Submultiples. What they will be called? Submultiples.
So,
Okay.
sir, these kind of multiples will be all positive numbers and submultiples all will be negative numbers. In short, we can say.
Not negative numbers, Nana. Negative powers you have to say.
Yeah,
10
okay.
power minus 1. Do you know what is the 10 power minus 1, Nana?
Maybe 5.
No, Nana. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means how much, Nana?
So
0.1.
like,
Okay.
oh, so it's divided by 10.
1 by 10 you have to write, Nana. 10 power minus 1 means 1 by 10. And 1 by 10 means 0.1. So after point it is coming or not value.
Yes, sir.
So that's why they are called submultiples, Nana. Submultiples means which comes after point or which will have a negative powers, Nana. What will be there? Negative powers of 10 will be there. So 10 power
Sir,
minus 1, 10 power
I
minus
would
2.
like to ask something, that how much is 10 to the power of minus 12?
10 to the power of?
Minus 12.
10 to the power of minus 12 means after point you have to keep 11 zeros and after that 1. 0.0000000 like that for 11 times and after that 1 must be there. That is the number.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now negative powers of 10 will be called
Sir,
submultiples.
sir,
Positive
can we
powers of...
leave?
Nana, tell me, Vamika.
Sir, can we leave since it's time's up? I just have to go somewhere and all.
Only 4 to 5 minutes, Nana. After that you can leave. Okay.
Yes, sir, that's because it's like already overtime.
Okay. I too know, but only 2-3 minutes I'll take and I will close this session. Okay.
Sir, no problem. I am free today.
Okay. Nana, see here. So these are called multiples and these are called what, Nana? Submultiples.
Submultiples.
And these whatever prefix names are there, you have to remember, Nana. And in next session, I will ask you what do you mean by deca, what do you mean by deci. Here deca is there, Nana, 10 power minus 1. You have to correct it. It is deca, deci, Nana. DECI. Correct it, Nana. So you are using mobile now, all of you?
No, sir, I'm using a laptop.
Okay.
Me too.
So,
I'm also using a laptop.
okay. Now, if you are using mobile, what you do is you take a screenshot, and if you are using this particular laptop, then you take a photograph of it, and after that,
Sir, can you wait
whatever.
2 minutes? I'll just go get a phone.
Okay.
Sir, can you please, after this chapter completion, can you please take the leftover session of the light shadow reflection, because it haven't took for many months, I think.
Okay, Nana. So after this chapter, I will say. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Nana, is it clear whether you can understand my explanation?
Yes, sir. It's perfectly okay.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Right. So you make note of this multiples and submultiples, and I will ask you questions related to it in a later class. Okay.
Okay, sir. So we should study this one come.
Okay. And actually, I have to complete the session 1, but as it is a first class, so I am unable to finish it. But in a later session, I will explain that rest whatever portion is given to this first session, and after that I'll start second session, Nana. Okay.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. Is it clear, Nana, up to this multiples and submultiples?
Yes, sir. It's clear. And I have one doubt that for in the submultiples, 10 to the power of -6, there is no symbol given. Why is it so?
Okay, Nana. So let me say, actually in physics, few are only selected, Nana, not all.
Sir,
10
you're
power
showing
3 is
us
there.
least count. Can you go back to the table, please?
I will give you, Nana. I will give you 1 minute. I want to ask one question, Nana, related to this. So that's why I am searching for it. Okay. So let us go to. Let me ask you this question, Nana. Which is not a fundamental unit? Can anybody say? Meter, liter,
Liter.
kilogram, second.
Sorry,
Liter.
second.
Sorry, sir.
Second.
Is it liter or second?
Nana, Vamika, tell me your answer.
Sir, I think
Liter.
it should be second.
Liter. It is
No,
liter,
no,
liter,
sir,
liter.
because second was written in the table, so it should be liter.
Sir,
Very
it's
good, Nana.
liter.
In this
Liter.
particular answer, liter is not a fundamental unit, Nana. Why, Nana? Meter is
Sir,
for
can I
emphasis.
answer?
Okay, Nana, tell me.
Because meter is a length and kilogram is a mass and time is second is a time. So
Okay.
liter is the odd one.
So very good, Nana. So M stands for meter, which is a fundamental unit. Kilogram is also a fundamental unit. Second is a fundamental unit. But among them, which is the odd one, Nana? Liter. That's why it is not a fundamental unit. Now, which is not a unit of distance. So we are not learnt about it, Nana. But I will say in a next session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's a nanosecond.
Nanosecond.
But nanosecond will be a time too, right?
Yeah, but it said, sir, can you please show the question again?
Right, Nana. 1 minute.
So in this,
Tell me, Nana. So here
Yeah.
light year is there, parsec is there, nanosecond is there, angstrom is there. Which is not a unit of distance in this?
I think it's nanosecond because nanosecond is a unit of time.
Very good, Nana.
Yes,
Light
sir,
year.
nanosecond.
Is used to measure ma'am, light year is used to measure things in space because space is very vast and cannot be measured in miles or meters or kilometers.
Very good, Nana. Light year is a actually called astronomical unit. That means which are used to measure distances between planets, which are used to measure distances between Milky Ways and those stars will be there, no? So the distance between them will be measured with light year, parsec, and the distance for a waves will be there, no waves.
yes, sir, waves.
For waves, wavelength will be measured with one length unit, Nana, which is called angstrom.
Angstrom.
So here, which is odd one, Nana, nanosecond. So it is not a unit of distance. Okay.
Sir, what is it per sec? In that one per sec something was there, right?
Parsec is also a unit of distance, Nana. Parsec means 3.26 light years, Nana. What is it, Nana? 3.26 light year. If 3.2 times to the light year it will be there, that will be called what? Parsec. Okay. Is it clear, Nana, all of you?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
clear.
Now make note of this particular table, and I will close this session. And in the next session, I will explain all other those things, whatever
Sir,
are there
I
in
was
this
asking
particular.
one doubt that in the submultiples 10 to the power of -6, my prefix micro, what is the symbol? I could not see the symbol.
Symbol is not there clearly, Nana. And symbol will be there like mu. I will give you that symbol. Actually, writing pad is there. This writing pad is not working properly. In the next session, I will give you, Nana, that one. Okay?
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Very good, Nana. Ask.
Sir, can you tell what Nana means and in which language?
Where, Nana?
Sir, can you tell me what Nana means? Like you keep on saying Nana and Nana. I'm wondering what it means and in which language.
Nana. Nana
Random
means
answer.
in Telugu, Nana. Telugu.
Yes, so even I was wondering in which language do you speak like this?
It is